दोस्तों कैसे लग रहा है कि हम कोई भी एक एपिसोड का पार्ट 2 एक्चुअली कर रहे हैं,
Unbelievable, dude. Doesn't feel like this anymore.
है ना?
Yeah.
So do we remember what we said in the last one? नहीं तो फिर it'll be the same episode but done again and with
Yeah.
Kautuk.
That was a.
But that's okay. The hope is that
theory.
Kautuk will bring conspiracy theories that we've not heard of in the last one.
But here's the other thing, right? Like this is at least be a repeat of facts, because usually what we do is repeat of personal stories. Meaning
Yeah.
हम लोग
Which
school
is-
stories कितने बार किया है? कितने बार वही
And
वही
even if
story.
it's not school stories, it's school stories spread out across various podcasts.
Yeah.
Yeah.
School adjacent stories.
People have seen our. You know how you tell a story and like after a while your mind starts changing it. Like this is
Yeah.
scientifically proven
Yeah.
that you start changing it and you start believing that as your reality.
As the
We
new
have
story.
photographic proof. We have video proof of how like Varun's story is changing over time. And now
No,
Varun
it's
believes
not.
that
It's
that
been
is
the same.
Yeah,
It's
except-
been the same. थोड़ा इधर उधर चेंज होता है, नाम चेंज हो जाएगा.
Dude, but
Your
people in the
change हो
comments
जाएगा.
know the exact details, right? And they'll be like, Baba,
Yeah.
there
They
were
correct
3
your
glasses
story the
of
next
milk.
time.
Don't say there were 2 glasses. What is this? Where did that third glass go? Is this a conspiracy
Yeah.
theory?
बड़ा ये क्या हम लोग ने? We should have just let the cold open be Baba trying to twirl his mustache and look like Tanaji. क्या कर रहा है?
पता नहीं, I was just
Baba is simping
Okay,
for
no.
himself now. This is just
Yeah,
sad.
Yeah, this is
अभी
becoming
आने वाले
too much.
comment, oh wow, Baba's beard, Baba's mustache.
नहीं चांस ही नहीं है. चलो.
लेकिन कंस्पिरेसी ये है कि बाबा सच में एक्चुअली है एक एलियन.
That is
Shifting lizard as
Confirmed.
because there's the whole bunch of those, right? But we'll get to it right after the intro. Okay. Hello and welcome to another episode of the Internet Set. So, a show you take random bit of facts, history, and opposite stories, and we talk about it. And today's episode is actually a part 2 of a very popular episode called Conspiracy Theories. But you already knew that.
Yes.
So we were continuing from the cold open where there's this one specific type of conspiracy theory.
continuing from
Dude, it is less than 4 seconds ago.
Bro, what if people have a bad memory? Okay, and they're like, "But ऐसे क्यों बोल रहा है?" Okay, so we were talking about how this one really stupid line of conspiracy theories are there where XYZ people are actually lizard people. Right?
Yeah.
There was one
Yeah.
where Nicolas
Yeah.
Cage is a vampire.
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 अरे ब्रो, इस वाले पे ना, निकोलस केज इज अ वैम्पायर पे ना, एक मेरे को
बट ये मैं मानता हूँ, मैं अग्री करता हूँ कि निकोलस केज शायद है एक वैम्पायर.
No. So the thing about Nicolas Cage being a vampire, which is hilarious. There's also Prince Charles is a vampire, by the way.
Yeah.
But
Which
listen,
is-
if I was
Unbelievable.
part of the Vampires Association, I'd be like, we have to distance ourselves
But
from Nicolas Cage because he's causing a dent in our reputation, dude. It's Nicolas Cage. क्यों? क्या है?
So-
What is the theory? But
So apparently, here's what's happened. Okay, where in 2011 on eBay, a seller put up a black and white picture of a man believed to be from around the Civil War era, with an uncanny resemblance to Nicolas Cage. Okay, so.
तो इसलिए निकोलस केज
This is a vampire. In fact, वो हाँ तो वो लेटरमेंट
what a
पे जाके
great
बोला भी है. वो लेटरमेंट पे जाके बोला है also. Look, I don't drink blood. And the last time I looked in the mirror, I had a reflection. ये बेचारे को बोलना भी पड़ा है bro.
but it's clear that he's aging. Why are people like?
No, but
Keanu Reeves is a vampire is a better theory, right?
Yeah, because he doesn't look like he ages. But like Nicolas Cage, Dracula है and his cover is कि मैं acting करूँगा.
acting karo. But how is that different from the Eternals plot where this guy is a Kumail Nanjiani is a superhero but he is an actor?
How is it also different from Shaitan Haveli?
Oh yeah.
They are also Draculas and actors.
Dude,
ये
लेकिन ना lizard people and all that. But conspiracy theories का बाप conspiracy theories का जो फैक्ट्री है,
हाँ.
उसका नाम है CIA. ठीक है?
I mean, you can't say CIA without saying conspiracy.
Yeah.
The
Conspiracy Intelligence Agency.
Agency. ठीक है. क्योंकि मेरे पास एक दो इंडियन कंस्पिरेसी थ्योरीज है जिसमें भी CIA है.
CIA का
CIA हर जगह अरे रुक, conspiracy, I'll
बट
be
वो
right
है
there.
ना, CIA सब जगह घुसने की कोशिश करता है ना, हर चीज में अपना उंगली डाल के रखा है.
नहीं, but
Bro.
CIA is the kind, right? See, when CIA got formed, एक तो उन लोग ने ये जो in fact even the terminology of a conspiracy theory is actually a CIA construct, apparently, right? That they were the ones who came with this because there's so much conspiracy theories thrive when anything is shrouded in secrecy, right? अभी और CIA का हर एक चीज यही है कि हम लोग नहीं है, which is basically secrecy max. So it makes no difference what they're associated with because they've had a history of MK Ultra, yaad hai? Which was a CIA
yeah.
thing of mind control, right? That CIA is experimenting with mind control and all of that, and the Jonestown incident is supposedly an MK Ultra thing. Like
Even
it's a
Charles
byproduct.
Manson is MK Ultra.
Yeah.
He was one
He's
of
a-
the guys who was
He was one
experimented
of,
on.
yeah.
And so,
So-
was the Unabomber, apparently.
But here's the interesting thing about the psychology of a conspiracy theory. It basically, humans by nature are suspicious, right? So when like the one of the funniest debunks of we are all living in a simulation and we are all aliens or we are all robots
You know, this
or whatever.
conspiracy theory of we are all living in a simulation ना लोग को बोलने बहुत अच्छा लगता है लेकिन किसी को बोला ना समझा नहीं आता. They love saying we are living in a simulation. अच्छा इसका मतलब भाई Elon Musk ने
Simulation,
बोला है तो होगा.
simulation.
Yeah.
No. So the thing about the way you can debunk that is human beings. If you are living in a simulation and you are devoid of free will and you don't have free will, you will never be able to create a conspiracy theory. The fact that you are suspicious or the fact that you don't take things at face value as humankind, you are allowing it to succeed. You're allowing the secrecy or this conversation to go forth means that you are not living in a simulation. Then there are people who have debunked that by saying, but what if the creators of the simulation have let you create
Yeah,
that
that's
simulation
what, no.
of the simulation?
I like
Rick
that
and
version of
Morty did a
reality.
great
मेरा सर
episode
घूम
on
रहा है
this.
अभी.
Rick and Morty did a great episode on this where the simulation was created just for Rick and Morty to get out some information from Rick about some special whatever. So that's the idea, right? It's all centered around the idea is that if it is there's only a finite number of human beings currently on Earth. That is the simulation. So
You
as
keep seeing
move-
the same people. Huh?
yeah, the
background
world, no, the
characters.
world constructs around you. So the RAM, the insane space age RAM that is there, is still constructing the world around you around probably 1 million or 10 million human beings, and the rest of us are straight up digital simulation.
You know,
You
something
know, amongst
Siddhi
us,
plays,
I
Siddhi
think-
plays a game called Sims. Okay,
Sims, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, Sims, we are Sims.
and I would love to believe that it is someone like Siddhi who's controlling our lives.
Hilarious. In
That's
that
what
case,
they
I
say,
would.
right? There's a-
In that case, I would like to say to the person who's controlling my life, "Fuck you."
yeah.
But here's the
But there's an old joke also, na? Why you enter a room and forget why you got there? It's your controller forgetting वो क्या कर रहा था, or it's just gone like क्या and भूल गया. This is a
No.
comedian joke.
I also believe that amongst us, Adar is one of the guys who is most susceptible to conspiracy theories. I don't know why. It's just
Yeah.
this feeling that Adar will believe a conspiracy theory, and he will completely whether he
I'll
like you know
relish it. I
yeah
would
he
love
will
to be part
completely
of that
submit
world.
to it. He will submit to it
No,
and
but Baba, he'll do it if it's really interesting. Like
Yeah.
Adar is the kind of guy who's like, "अरे ये मस्त है यार इसका और बता जरा."
vegan
And then
vegan.
before- yeah, before you know it, he's vegan.
But vegan is not a conspiracy theory, na? It's very clear. on
It
the-
is. You are part of a vegan conspiracy theory where the RAM is creating veganism around it.
But
नहीं, but
you guys,
veganism
have
पे
you
बात
guys?
करने का है तो करते हैं आराम से फिर.
No, but
अभी
you know,
दूध
like
निकालेगा.
when talking about people who believe crazily in conspiracy theories, right? There's a huge amount of people in the US currently who believe
And
or
my
are
parents.
followers of QAnon. You guys know QAnon?
Yeah, QAnon.
Right?
Yeah.
2017 में 4chan मैसेज बोर्ड पे cryptic messages आना चालू हुए, right? Which supposedly is from this one person who goes by Q, who has Q level clearance in the
CIA.
government, in the CIA everywhere. So he or she leaves cryptic messages about and their entire thing is that Donald Trump is on a crusade to take on this crazy left democratic wing, who are nothing but just a circle of
Warmongers.
shape-shifting and child trafficking,
Acha.
whatever.
Pizza eating.
And it's this guy who is bringing the truth out to everybody, and people are buying it to an extent where the attack on the Capitol Hill that happened had a large amount of people who believed or who were a part of QAnon message boards, like proper going out there with full fucking placard saying Q sent me here, you know, shit like that.
Here's-
इतने सारे लोग in a supposedly developed, educated country are blindly believing absolute rubbish.
But the inception of that conspiracy theory is that even the Capitol Hill siege was part of another different cover up. Right. So the whole like QAnon is a foil for the guys who showed up, and they are a foil for something else that happened, which was like deleting of information.
And all of them don't have free will because they are in a simulation.
Dude, how
Yeah.
can how can you enter that building just like that wearing a Viking hat? It makes no sense. It makes no
अंदर
sense.
तक पहुंच गए, bro.
Yeah,
Yeah,
dude.
yeah.
Bizarre. And you're sitting on the speaker's chair. It's not even like it's. So you realize that, and a lot of people have been saying that तुम लोग ने खाली the media just publicized the attackers. Most of the people were not attacking.
So
That
what
is
were they
the
doing?
Yeah, the most of the people are peaceful protesters standing outside. This is the most bizarre theory. Then there's video footage of an entire mob attacking a building and climbing the walls. But
Dude.
people are believing it.
You know something that like while we're on this topic, I just want to bring this up. I found this article on Mental Floss, which if you haven't gone to that site, please go. It's great. Okay, so
Fantastic.
mentalfloss.com has a thing called Secrets of the Secret Service Agents. Okay, so they've compiled some of the things that the Secret Service guys who are entrusted to protect presidents and all, what are their sort of tricks of the trade and stuff. So there's a guy who's written an autobiography. Okay, he was a former agent. His name is Joseph Petro. His autobiography's name is so beautiful. It is Standing Next to History.
Bap.
If you had to give a Secret Service autobiography name, that's great. Okay,
Or
तो
living
बोलते हैं-
history.
हाँ, तो keeping history alive. So he has. So one of the things he's talked about is that they travel with bags of the president's blood
Yes.
in case.
Yeah, all this is true.
Yeah. He's written about.
No,
it.
no,
Like,
this is not a conspiracy theory. ये actually है.
हाँ, ये है. I'm just telling you about like some of the lesser known things, like which sound like they could be like just.
No,
out
but they
there.
travel. Like, bata de why is that
So-
being taken around? Huh?
The reason they do this is there's two things they do. So for security, they wherever they go, they're not more than 10 minutes away from a hospital, and they'll have an agent posted at the hospital who knows the operating room staff. In addition, they carry these bags of blood in case the president needs, in case there's an assassination attempt, and the
And blood
president
transfusion.
needs immediate emergency blood transfusion. That's one. The second is they make sure that the president is never alone, even in the bathroom.
Damn.
When Reagan was in office, Joe was there for his prostate exams and colonoscopies.
Shit, dude.
Bro, he
Imagine
probably-
being in the bathroom with Trump, bro. एक तो आदमी क्या खाता है जब भी अंदर
अरे
जाता होगा
यार।
टॉयलेट. Oh God, dude.
नहीं वो
और-
बाजू में खड़े रह के बस ऐसे भी बोल रहा सर मत ट्वीट करो नहीं सर प्लीज डोंट
Here's,
सर आप
here's
टट्टी
another-
करने आए हो चुपचाप करके निकल जाओ बाहर आप.
जाओ ना
ट्विटर पे टट्टी मत करो.
फोन है
Here's another thing they do, which is they interview potential assassins. Okay, so
Or
essentially,
a job in the Secret Service. Excuse me, are you a potential assassin? Yes. Do you want
Yeah,
to
but that's
stand
what they
next
do
to the
with, like-
president with all access? Sure. Promise you won't do anything? Promise.
सूख वाली कसम.
बट
इसलिए ना वो है ना ली हार्वी ऑसवाल्ड. तू पक्का नहीं करेगा कुछ कैनेडी को? नहीं सर नहीं करूंगा. Because that's
So-
also long running conspiracy theory, right? That Lee Harvey
Yeah.
Oswald killed JFK, and few days later he was killed himself. Straight
Yeah.
public. 1 minute. This is CIA. This is a conspiracy.
Yeah.
They had it against him because
ये
they
हम
of
लोग
big
बात कर
invasion.
लिया है लास्ट एपिसोड में गाइस.
किया है क्या? हाँ
हाँ.
ठीक है. whatever.
JFK किया
ट्रायंगुलेटेड क्रॉसफायर. हाँ.
so basically, this potential assassins is there's a lot of people who are calling up. Like we don't know these people, thankfully, but they are calling up agencies and saying, "मैं president को मारने वाला हूँ." ठीक है. Now someone's got to deal with these prank calls, right? So they are sent to talk to them and figure out ki what is wrong in those people's lives. So there's a incident about this guy who used to repeatedly call up threatening the president's life, and they later found out he had an alcohol problem. Okay, so दारू पी के फोन करता था
प्रेसिडेंट को, हेलो
Yeah.
क्या कर रहा है, गोली मार दे।
प्रेसिडेंट को नहीं, प्रेसिडेंट को नहीं. They just-
This phone is being patched through the White House. Sir, we have a drunk caller on the line. Yes, put him through.
वाह, भेजो भेजो भेजो.
No, sorry, what?
मेरे को टैक्स नहीं बनेगा.
No, they apparently have to sort of check every threat that's made against the president. That's the
Yeah, but
that's
guys,
the-
this is not even conspiracy. This is actual. They do
Yeah,
that in
yeah.
great fucking
Yeah.
detail. Of any president, I mean, US president visit to any country is followed by 2-3 weeks of pre-planning where public either
Yeah.
he always travels with that beast, his car. At any point of time, once the president takes off, right, he can be in the air for days. They had
yeah. अरे bro,
तो-
ये तो
अरे देखा हम लोग ने इंडिपेंडेंस डे.
Here's a conspiracy theory level shit, like the limo that the president comes in. It's straight out of a James Bond movie. It's flat tire
bulletproof.
proof, bulletproof, driven by agents with extensive experience in defensive driving. It can make 180-degree turns in the event of a roadblock or explosion.
Wonder if you know how they live. And it's just a limousine turning.
The agents, they get shot at with fake bullets to prepare them for the eventuality. So you're like to test कि तू खाएगा कि नहीं खाएगा वो moment में.
Oh, damn.
सही है dude.
hardcore. तुम लोग को
Achha, by the way, Pearl Harbor did we discuss last time since we were talking about presidents?
no, but apparently Pearl Harbor was allowed to happen, no, with the
Yeah, similar theory about 9/11.
9/11.
We discussed the 9/11, but they're like they needed this to enter
Enter the war.
provocation to attack
because
Japan.
most people in the US at that time were anti-war. ठीक है, they're like नहीं
Yeah.
भाई नहीं जाना है, but you need one sort of national galvanizing incident that makes everybody say नहीं चलो जाके गांड मारो Japanese की. So
Correct. So-
they knew it. They knew there was an impending attack, but they apparently let it go.
Dude, the number of governments apparently Britain, Netherlands, Australia, Peru, Korea, and the Soviet Union warned America apparently, and it was all brushed under the
Listen,
rug.
no offense, but Peru is the odd one out in that list.
Yeah.
It's like Peru knew.
I think it's because Peru called and said bro होने वाला है. They're like अरे पेरू को कैसा मालूम रे ये मतलब है
At
April
that point
Fool.
of time, they were so this. Hello, हाँ कौन बोल रहा है पेरू? कौन पेरू?
क्या?
Sir, our
नहीं,
radar
नहीं,
is showing
Peru.
that there are kamikaze pilots on the way to your Air Force base.
नहीं हो सका. अरे नहीं हमको दिख रहा है ऊपर से जा रहे हैं वो लोग.
मेरे को लगता है जब हो रहा है भी उन लोग बोल रहे हैं नहीं हो रहा है. अरे नहीं हो रहा है, बच्चे लोग फटाके खेल रहे हैं. नहीं सर बाहर देखो खिड़की के.
Why is the president in Hawaii?
The president is why
President
not?
Hawaii में
President
नहीं.
can be anywhere.
Okay,
He's there for a holiday
Air Force One.
okay, okay.
because he didn't believe na that there's an attack.
Okay, okay.
No, I want to go
No,
to Hawaii. Sir, there's an impending attack. नहीं हो रहा है.
Our act outs have an internal
Oh.
logic that should never be
By the way,
questioned.
9/11
They have no logic.
We've heard this na कि 9/11 पे the day that happened, Michael Jackson was supposed to go to the World Trade Center, and he overslept because he was talking to his mother that night. So he overslept and missed that appointment. Otherwise, he would have been in the World Trade Center. Some people are saying Michael Jackson was warned beforehand and he didn't go there. He
Who warned him?
ditched his
Osama?
meeting. पता नहीं. Apparently, government. or
Beat
something
it,
inside-
beat it.
Yeah.
Phone करके
Just
उसको.
beat it. Yes, I know. I made that song, but what do you say?
अरे नहीं, you're not.
आप
Just
मूड
beat
वॉक
it.
करके पीछे घर जाओ.
But do you guys know about DB Cooper? कौतुक देखो मालूम होगा DB Cooper. So
We spoke
DB
about him
Cooper
multiple
conspiracy ये है कि एक आदमी ने एक प्लेन हाईजैक किया और
हाँ, और
वहां से
अभी तक मिला नहीं है.
20 odd million लेके he jumped out and he
Low-key.
parachuted out of the plane and then
But
has never
पता है-
been found again.
But Marvel has
Yeah.
clarified that it was Loki all along.
Which was, by the way, I thought it was a very
Yeah.
beautiful
one.
and elegant solution to that problem, because the
Yes.
question has always been he jumped out of the plane And where did he go? And he was beamed up by Heimdall. Great, superb,
Yeah.
solved it. But
I have no idea what you're talking about, but okay.
No, Loki में they made a reference to DB Cooper कि DB Cooper कोई था नहीं, वो actually Loki था.
वो मैं समझ गया.
Which is
But he was Loki DP Cooper.
yeah.
Yeah.
Because in American folklore, DB Cooper बहुत ऐसे popular, मतलब
हाँ.
widely
Correct,
believed.
Yeah,
scene
he
है.
is the American dream.
हाँ.
20 मिलियन बिना टैक्स लेके मैं कट
Did
लेगा.
you अभी फुटबॉल चलो तो याद आया तेरे को बाद में 98 वर्ल्ड कप के टाइम पे भारी कंस्पिरेसी थ्योरी क्या था ना एक
About Ronaldo.
about Ronaldo. Do you remember that?
Domino. Yeah.
है ना, because here is a man who just scores goals at will, about to play the most important match of his life, और 70 मिनट पहले गेम के he got a stroke or something, like a fit.
Headache or something. Like he wasn't
Something
fit. Like they've said that the food was poisoned and all of that stuff. So
तो किसने किया?
France.
So that's what he fell sick. So it could have gone
Oh.
in.
it was
poison
1998
food
in France, where Brazil is playing France. So so basically, scene was
and 98 and Ronaldo was something else, because Ronaldo must
Yeah.
bro पूरे वर्ल्ड कप में पागल जैसे गोल
just for context, guys, this is not Cristiano
Not
Ronaldo,
Cristiano.
okay?
पब्लिक को मालूम है.
No,
This is
No.
Ronaldo Nazario.
this is
just
Ronaldo.
Ronaldo.
This is Ronaldo who decided to put on weight after suddenly. That Ronaldo.
Right.
That change was something else. But ये भी भारी एक conspiracy theory था उसका वो time पे. During
But
the
dude,
98 World Cup.
yeah, but I don't know, man. Like the real sports conspiracy theories are those match fixing ones, man. Those are hardcore.
Yeah.
Like,
Yeah, we spoke about them in the first one.
yeah,
कि
towel इधर.
हाँ वो तो conspiracy theory है, but ये betting वाला scene का. Plus when we were younger, about Jayasurya's bat and also we spoke about that in the previous one. But थोड़ा
Yeah.
Indian conspiracy theories के बारे में बात करते हैं, right? And for the longest time, obviously, Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose has been subject
Oh,
to
yeah.
very many
Yeah.
conspiracy theories, right? Because he was on a flight to Japan and the plane crashed, and then they say that because
Allegedly.
of burns, etc., he passed
Yeah.
away. So he was buried in Taiwan. That is supposedly the running theory. But there were 3 other alternatives, options that were given, that flight crash land hua and he was taken by Russians in a Russian prison. Because technically Netaji was siding with Japanese, right, who would be axis of evil. So he was taken to a Russian gulag sort of situation, and he died there.
No, but there is also the most famous one, which is that
He was in
Netaji.
there.
He was in there.
He was in
Dude,
there.
Anirban Dasgupta का वो जोक है ना, I think उसके स्पेशल में ही है कि he's like, most Bengalis believe so much that Netaji is alive कि अभी भी कैलकाटा एयरपोर्ट पे एक बंदा प्लाकार्ड लेके खड़ा है कि नेताजी आएंगे. बहुत फनी जोक है अनिर्बान का.
You know, but there was some
Hachiko.
Baba, right? Many years later, there was some Baba who had a very, again, like Nicolas Cage wala, very uncanny resemblance to Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose. And Neelam Baba or something his name was. And he lived a full life and died in 1985. So many people think that it was actually Subhash Chandra Bose who was being
So
this.
there is this other thing, right? Like there are 9 people in the world who look identical to you.
No, 7.
Seven.
Or 6.
Oh,
Seven or nine.
Something
whatever.
like that.
So basically, there is a certain number of people who look identical to you, and because of that, there is a lot of like, does this person? So some of them who look like okay may have similar features or whatever it is, but there are 7 who look exactly like you. Exact.
I found one.
Yeah.
Plays,
I've been told 3. I've 3 different
That's
people
not
at different times of time.
Gautam, Brad Pitt does not look like you. We've had this conversation. This is
No,
not.
I said
the right time.
he plays cricket. He was a wicket keeper. His
Oh,
name
okay.
starts with P.
That's a
No, but the thing about that is that he kind of looks like you. You know what I'm saying? Like I'm saying there are 7 people who look exactly like you.
Baba, my mom would have adopted him. Trust me. We look the same. अगर तू मेरे को गायब कर दिया और उसको ले आया, कुछ नहीं फर्क पड़ेगा.
बट लेकिन इंडियन की बात कर रहे थे तो एक तो ये नेताजी सुभाष चंद्र बोस वाला, द अदर इज लाल बहादुर शास्त्री, राइट?
Yeah.
ताशकंद, where
Yeah.
he was last seen, and he died there out of a suspected heart attack, right? If I'm not mistaken. And they say that ये Russians ने किया है. ठीक है? And because when the body came back and the belongings came back, apparently the one thing that didn't come back was his flask or his thermos, from which he would from which he had water last. That didn't come back. So that's led to growing suspicion and conspiracy that ये हो रहा है. Same thing to do with Homi Baba.
ये थर्मस का क्या चक्कर है? क्या उसकी मम्मी ने बोला कि थर्मस लाया नहीं वापस? Like what was the
No, with all the belongings come back, right? तो उसमें thermos नहीं था because they say शायद poison किया होगा, वैसे वाला.
You know, you just need one discrepancy.
Yeah.
And that's the basis of generations of content.
Correct.
So,
And
Correct.
also when things happen supposedly out of turn, not at the right time, right?
Yeah.
Somebody passing away before you thought they would have or should have automatically leads to, like, a part of you doesn't reconcile with that specific happening, and you want to sort of put either blame or find answers through something totally unrelated, just so that you feel you get what I mean. Like, इसलिए most people who die before time, before their at a young age, or something like that, their deaths are always shrouded by some or the other conspiracy.
Can I tell you another conspiracy theory which has captivated like a lot of people across time? There is a conspiracy theory which is called the Dyatlov Pass incident. Okay, the Dyatlov Pass incident was it happened in the Ural Mountains, okay, in 1959 in Russia, where a group of trekkers, okay, there were about 6 to 8 of them. Okay, they had gone for a trek to this mountain pass. The next night, Baba, you want to close your ears? You can do it.
Yeah, I was just about to say.
Okay, so they disappear. They don't come back, and searchers go to find them. Okay, they find that the tent has collapsed. It looks like they have cut the tent from the inside. Okay, the bodies are scattered all across this mountainside. Some of the bodies have injuries. Okay, like as if they were physically attacked or something like that. Some of them are missing body parts. Like, it's a bad scene. Okay, so thousands and thousands of conspiracy theories have sprung out of this one incident. Okay, now it turns out that it was in 2021. They came up with a model, okay, which said that it was just snow, a small avalanche that basically caved the whole thing in. They had to cut themselves out, but the hypothermia and all of that stuff contributed to the death of these hikers. It's still not 110% sure, and this conspiracy theory was sort of like given bigger proportions because back then the Soviet investigators, right?
Yeah.
They suppressed information. So
Always.
they stopped people from coming near the site. People said that there was a nuclear plant next to them. There was
That's always the
radiation in
case.
the sky.
See, dude, any place that says restricted to outsiders, right? Like, or government clearance only, or हाँ बाबा चालू कर, कुछ नहीं है इतना.
वो उसने बंद कर दिया है.
तू 40 साल का है बाबा. Just let me remind you, तू इतना डर मत.
Dude,
no.
everything.
I was just hoping that y'all wouldn't, when I come back, say, अच्छा सुन ये mark करते हुए edit करने का, because I was like, fuck, story सुनना पड़ेगा.
No, so we were saying that the minute any sort of area gets demarcated as government only, this only, special pass, violators will be prosecuted, you start looking for answers. We spoke about Area 51 in the last one.
But Kautuk, when
main reason is that
the teeth mark was there on their faces from where the skin was ripped off.
Yeah.
What was like that?
Dude, even if it was some other animal or some creature, you think they're going to come out and say, yeah, actually there was a 20-foot creature that ripped these people to shreds.
One of the hikers, when they had that, so they say one of the hikers went crazy and started trying to eat the other hikers.
That was also exactly.
Yeah.
So there was, by the way, there's a book, in case you're interested, there's a book called Dead Mountain, which is about this case. And in that,
do I have to go on mute again?
No, you don't.
No.
So in Dead Mountain, this guy, so here's another hallmark of conspiracy theories, where the best ones, they start off as reasonable, right? Where he'll be like, I don't believe in conspiracy theories. let me lay out the facts. And then he'll lay out all these facts, right? And then he'll end the book by saying, so there were infrasonic sounds that were hitting his brain and they went crazy. Right? And you're like, what the fuck did you just, that was your conclusion? So, like this guy came up with some
What was that
random
noise?
fucking.
Okay,
No,
can I just
you
say
know,
this? Sorry.
Because we were talking about areas like that, right? So even on the Indo-China border, apparently, India has their own secret UFO base. अपन
Oh,
Area
yeah.
51 और ये सब बोलते हैं, apparently, and it's in the Kong, I forget, Konkala, I think it's called Kongka La, Konkala Pass area between India and China is where there is supposedly a secret UFO base that both countries are well aware of and know and have surprising understanding कि हाँ है अपने पास इधर alien रहते हैं. And in 2015 or something, Google images से मालूम पड़ा that China has almost like a military industrial complex type situation that they've managed to build, and this gives more credence to the fact that नहीं उधर है. Except they don't realize that China हर जगह बैठ के सिर्फ military sites बनाते जा रहे, but
Correct.
they have put this Konkala as supposedly a UFO base.
Do you think it
Can
went
I-
like this, that someone saw the military base being constructed and they were like, एक second, ये क्या चल रहा है? And Chinese just went, aliens.
हाँ, and people are like, oh, aliens है फिर ठीक है. No, and
Just-
they say again, people aren't allowed. I'm like, of course, India China border पे military side पे देखो कोई क्यों allow करेगा?
Yeah, why is
Right?
Raj
And the fact
Tours
that
and Travels
people
taking you
are-
there?
Yeah, if you're not allowed to go there, makes you want to go there and then theorize that एक मिनट इधर कुछ तो गफला है. I mean, there's a simple explanation that it could just be a military complex. I mean, and nothing
I
else.
want all these
ऑनेस्टली
places.
अगर इंडिया में अगर ऐसा कॉम्प्लेक्स रखेंगे ना, वो बोलेंगे हाँ अंदर आ सकते हो, 100 रुपए एंट्री. अच्छा नहीं आना. The moment you charge a minimal fee, people will not be interested.
I was
anymore.
thinking of the opposite. I was thinking like they should declassify all these alien centers across the world, and you should have like bus full of tourists just going like and the tour guide going. आप देख सकते हो आपके लेफ्ट पे एरिया 51 यहाँ बहुत सारे aliens को कैद रखा है. जल्दी फोटो ले लीजिए, and people are just. I would
और
pay
कुछ नहीं
premium
है.
for it. I would
और
pay
कुछ है
premium
नहीं.
for it, shit.
Guys, there's 2-3 actually which are insane. Okay, so the first one is that the collider, that the hadron collider,
Higgs boson, Higgs boson collider.
Yeah, no, not the Higgs
The
boson.
Large
Higgs boson
Hadron
particle
Collider.
and the really the
So
the
that-
collider
that
and
collider
the Higgs boson
apparently-
particle.
Apparently it will whenever they manage to whatever do it and talk about this bending space-time theory or whatever, the collider will open the gates to hell,
Yeah.
is what the theory is.
You know what I
And-
love about this theory? It combines cutting edge science with religion. It's beautiful.
yeah. So it's unreal. Okay, but there is a very interesting theory that is developed by a guy called Jean Ray, who is a former electrician. It's called the time cube theory.
Yeah.
Okay.
So the time cube theory, I've got the time cube theory specifically here.
Yeah,
which
it
is
says.
the
Acha, tu kar raha hai?
Earth is divided into, Earth is simultaneously having 4 days instead of 1 day.
What?
What we perceive as 24 hours, which is
That's
1
just
day.
called Monday.
Yeah, which is Earth is actually having 4 simultaneous. So what he's done is he's saying the moment the sun hits Earth, simultaneously there is midday and midnight somewhere, and so that is 2 zones. Then there is also sun up and sun down. So that's 4 equidistant time points. So each one is a separate time point, and each one is going through its own cycles of these 3 times. So wo multiply karke, he's basically come up to the conclusion that each corner goes up. So that's 96 hours as opposed to 24 hours in a day.
He's gone mad because he died at the age of
bizarre.
87 on 18th March 2015. Or as his Wikipedia pages suggest, it could be interpreted as between the 16th to 20th of March inclusive.
Kabhi bhi.
But apparently it is arguably one of the most notorious single web pages online, an endless wall of text about conspiracy to suppress the absurdist mathematical model of time. So that is interesting. And can I tell you, please, this one just, it's unreal. Okay, this is too funny. There is a conspiracy theory that says Finland does not exist.
That's true.
Yeah, I have never been to Finland, and honestly, इतना expensive वो लोग ने दिखाया है सब tourism का. Kautuk and I would have gone to Finland, but we chose Russia because Finland was too expensive.
So
No, but
apparently,
what is the
here's the
theory
theory.
behind-
The notion is that two nations created Finland. Japan and Russia created Finland notionally, so that Japan could fish the sea that truly exists there without any environmental complaints or repercussions. The fish that are caught there are then shipped via the Trans-Siberian Railway. The reason it was built, by the way, from the eastern Russian coast to Japan under the disguise of Nokia products, because Japan is the highest importer of Nokia products. But surely the countries would have cottoned onto this now. But apparently, Finland is to serve as a model for the better world, where no country could consistently place first world education, healthcare, gender equality, literacy rates, ये वो. So they're like, it's a concept country, so ये नहीं exist हो सकता. But basically the theory is that Japan and Russia created it so they could fish there.
और वहां से फिनलैंड बन गया. Wow.
That explains why the people are
I
called
think-
Finnish.
Because he's like a can of, like from a can of fish. So the can of
You
fish.
think they tried to
Think
name
of-
it Fishland? They tried to name it Fishland and they screwed up somewhere. किसी ने handwriting में आग दिया. ऐसे कहा
No, but
था,
Finn,
कहाँ
Finn is also the thing, is the part that you can see, na?
Which is so कितना मतलब इतना random है कि फिनलैंड
अच्छा.
कंट्री है ही नहीं. It's so stupid.
So, by the way, going back to the Higgs boson, there's another theory where they've actually done it.
What? Done what?
They've
They
actually
found the God
created-
particle.
Yeah, they've found the God particle and it went out of hand. They created a black hole and we are getting absorbed into it.
What?
We are currently. So, if you consider a black hole, why, like, if you were to be, if you were closer to a black hole compared to inception, technically the science is sound. The closer you are to a black hole, the time moves slower for you, as opposed to somebody
Interstellar,
on Interstellar. Sorry, not Inception. So the science is sound. Okay, the closer you are to a extreme force of gravity, time slows down for you. They are stating that. And this is in conjunction with the Hawking theory, where they're saying that the Hawking radiation is that the black hole is radiating energy. But before it radiates the energy, some part of it, a blueprint of what is absorbed into the black hole, is retained on these things called loose threads or loose fibers. So the black hole actually retains the blueprint of what is being absorbed. What it throws out could be completely different because it's rearranging particles and atoms and electrons, whatever. But it retains information. So we are probably the remnant information.
That is exactly like watching Interstellar. Fuck, Adar, well done.
That is
Yeah.
exactly. We are. Yeah.
I completely understood everything he just said.
I need to go to
We
the
are-
Wikipedia
we
page
are-
to understand it.
Can I also say
Bizarre.
that in all of this, Meghan Markle is a robot,
Yes. That is true.
and the royals, apparently the queen and
एक
really
मिनट,
rich
तो-
people
तो-
in Europe used to eat used to be cannibals because of their therapeutic property, the body's therapeutic property.
Hey, but this we
So
spoke about.
Prince
it.
Charles is Dracula, Meghan Markle is a robot,
Is robot.
और
Robot.
Queen cannibal है. और बाकी ये
वो लोग भी
और-
खाता है, वो भी खाता है.
One second, guys. There is a
Charles
little
is
bit of
Batman.
nuance, which is that back in the day, the what do you call it? The guys who were in charge of keeping the health of the king and queen, they used to believe that the dead bodies had some properties. So tabhi ke time, medicine was so less advanced that they used to make it into little potions to give it to the king and queen. They didn't literally be like, हाथ को जरा roast करके लाना, ठीक है? It wasn't that. So
One hand roast.
okay.
You know
one
about the
conspiracy theory.
Indian guy who supposedly invented the plane before Wright brothers.
Supposedly.
So Wright brothers invented the plane in 1903, and a full 8 years before that, there's a guy called Shivkar Talpade. ठीक है?
Yes.
Apparently he was given money by the Maharaj or something of Baroda. वो finance कर रहा था उसका ये research.
Of course.
और उसमें कुछ I forget mercury powered ignition ऐसे कुछ तो था, 4 canister थे जिससे it was able to propel itself, but it crashed immediately after. एंड आफ्टर रिपीटेड अटेम्प्ट्स ब्रिटिश ने बोल दिया कि भाई ये बंद करो अभी, ये आगे नहीं करना. तो उसने बोला फंडिंग बंद कर देने महाराज ऑफ बरोडा को, एंड दिस होल थिंग वाज दबाउड कंप्लीटली एंड ब्रश्ड अंडर द कार्पेट.
क्या कर रहे हो? चुपचाप लगान दो ना, क्या कर रहे तुम लोग?
प्लेन बना रहे. एंड 1903 में क्रेडिट गया राइट ब्रदर्स को कि देखो भाई हमने प्लेन बनाया. तो अक्षय कुमार की अगली बायोपिक के का सब्जेक्ट मिल गया है. He will play Shivkar Talpade, who invented the plane before Wright brothers. In fact,
Against
even
the
in the
odds.
Vedas, right? We've seen Vimanas. Proper ये है और वेदास में आया है. And even that ancient aliens पे तो पूरा टाइम यही बात करते हैं, bro.
Yeah.
That, and even there's something about the Konark temple, right? The sun temple of Konark. They have some.
So that most religious sites, to a certain degree, the allure is that because they were so, even the pyramids, and so there's no saying that even in India there are sites that were very cleverly done up with like how the pyramids line up with the constellation
North
and
Star,
things like that. So
yeah.
and then there's the Stonehenge. So clearly there must be sites in India also that were made based on this and are.
है भर के.
Yeah, of course.
Yeah.
So ये तो no wonder these guys are, because we don't.
They say
do
the
as
same thing
much.
about Angkor Wat also, no?
Yeah.
Hmm.
I've seen it at the point where like it aligns perfectly with a sunrise and a sunset.
Oh shit.
So it's like it's pretty cool. But yeah, I mean, but back then I guess that's all you had to go on, right? Like what else was there to design your
आज
shit
क्या
around?
कर रहे हैं? आज मैं स्टार्स देख रहा हूँ और फिर
Star देखते कुछ
फिर
देख रहा है,
सुबह को
कोई
स्टार
building
फिर
building
सन देख
बनाएगा.
रहा हूँ, फिर मून देख रहा हूँ.
Can I-
Everything that's your canvas, right? You do everything in accordance with that because there is or was
Yeah.
nothing else at that
No,
point.
and the like, how else will your architect show off, right? Like he's got to come up with something cool. So he's like, देख वो तारा दिख रहा है तेरे को? अभी ये तेरा बिल्डिंग देख एकदम अलाइन. अरे क्या हो रहा है?
No, but it's so satisfying to hear a good conspiracy theory about any of these places, whether it's the Incas जो pyramids कर रहे थे या Egyptian pyramids या Angkor Wat या Konark Sun Temple. Any of these, when you go back into the history and you watch Ancient Aliens specifically, मजा आता है देखने के लिए. It's a time pass, good 40-minute or watch, right? Like you want to watch more and more episodes of that.
Hey, while we're on these things, I've opened there's a website called hexapolis.com.
Okay.
और उसमें the tagline of hexapolis.com is an online digest dabbling in intriguing enterprises. So I don't know what we're in for. Okay. But there's an article there called 10 mysterious objects from history that still baffle us. And it's got some crazy things. It's got this thing called the Antikythera mechanism. Okay. It looks like a wheel of stone, and it was found in a historic site in Greece. And it's apparently from the world's largest ancient shipwreck. Okay, this mechanism was salvaged from this particular underwater location, and apparently it's crafted to detect various complex astronomical observances, but we don't know how to use it. There's the Baghdad battery.
Oh, what is that?
12 artifacts from Iraq. So they look like pots. Okay, and they're from the era of the Parthians. Now, according to the pseudo-archaeological enthusiasts, the contraptions were actually galvanic cells and were used for electroplating gold, apparently, in 225 AD. So,
you remember now, abhi recent time mein, there was that monolith that was appearing everywhere.
Yeah.
It still shows up
and it's still not, nobody has said anything about it, right? Like mysteriously appears out of nowhere in different places. Uske baare mein, I mean, I read 2 odd places in the recent past that it has shown up in.
Yeah, the best came from the the world authority on these things, Joe Rogan.
Yeah.
Who was like again CIA aliens.
Aliens.
But there is also I forget the name. It's this massive thing apparently floating up in space around the Earth, which is supposedly an ancient alien ship. Yeah, that's been there for many years. It's very popular conspiracy theory. This one is also. मेरे को उसका
The
नाम
moon.
नहीं याद आ रहा है. नहीं,
The
नहीं,
moon. You're talking
moon
about
is
the moon.
supposedly created by aliens. It's a satellite
Yes.
created by aliens.
Aliens.
Hey,
नहीं, एक
guys.
और है that the moon is a projection. Apparently, the moon is a projection. It's not even real. It's not there at all. We are in a Truman Show kind of set, and the moon is being projected. But what is the point of doing that? I'm like, who's going out of their way to project the moon?
I read one about Malala Yousafzai, ठीक है, and it comes basically from a satirical piece. Dawn करके एक न्यूज़पेपर है ना पाकिस्तान में, उसमें एक satirical piece था, लेकिन उधर पब्लिक ने seriously ले लिया, and that conspiracy is that she is an agent of the West, and the CIA, of course, and Malala's dad have conspired to come together to create this so that they can defame the Taliban. In fact, she wasn't really ever shot.
Oh.
She was never shot, and there's people who really believe that.
Bullet
I
wound
was like,
away.
bro, poor thing, dude. That girl almost died and came back.
Correct. Yeah.
इसमें भी नहीं ये she's an agent of.
Guys,
of the
एक
West.
minute. Speaking of that, can I tell you one of the biggest conspiracy theories is that Paul McCartney is actually dead. Okay, and now here is how they thought. So apparently, Paul McCartney has secretly died in 1966, and that the other three members covered it up by hiring someone who looked like him and sang like him. And people are pointing
Wow.
to clues. Yeah.
You
and
have
people
to
are.
really scour the earth to find somebody.
नहीं,
as
सात लोग हैं ना.
talented and who
सात लोग हैं ना जो दिखता है
अरे
वैसा.
पर out of
अबे
the
सात लोग
seven,
तेरे जितना talented है ये थोड़ी है.
हाँ, okay, wait, hear this. So apparently, it points to numerous clues in the band's later albums, like in Sergeant Pepper's Lonely Hearts Band,
मैंने
Sergeant
Sergeant
Pepper's
I also heard Sergeant.
Sergeant Pepper's Lonely Hearts Club Band. They claim that the lyrics are awash with Paul is dead. Then like clues such as lyrics to A Day in the Life of, where the line says he blew his mind out in the car. Paul is dead, miss him, which you can hear if you play it backwards. And apparently,
गाने बैकवर्ड प्ले करके उसका मीनिंग बदल जाता है, ये तो थक गया. स्टेयरवे टू हेवन को उल्टा प्ले कर तो वो तो एक्चुअली डेविल
Gateway to Hell hai. But if you say, so apparently Lennon also mumbled, I buried Paul at the end of Strawberry Fields Forever. Later he denied saying there was any hidden meaning in the lyrics. He was saying cranberry sauce. I'm just trying to put I buried Paul in cranberry sauce in the same.
But this whole thing, there is also something called the Mandela effect. Have you heard about?
Yeah.
Effect?
Wait, 1 minute. I will come to Mandela effect, but you can go to it. But there's the funniest thing is even the Abbey Road cover album they have said is a sign, because for example, Lennon is dressed in white, leads the funeral. Ringo is dressed in as a black mourner. George is wearing jeans representing a gravedigger, and McCartney is out of step with the rest of the band and barefoot because he wouldn't need shoes in the afterlife.
Wow.
Yeah, it's
Pass
unreal.
the joint, bro. Pass the joint.
No,
And can I tell you the best theory apart from this? It's the hollow earth theory. Okay, the hollow earth theory. Other
Paul
your
McCartney is
mute.
That's the best one because that's what the Godzilla and the King Kong universe.
Please,
is
can I
based on.
explain
The
how
new
they've
one is
explained?
based on
is
that.
it related to Paul McCartney, Baba?
No. 1 sec. Here is what it is. It's been around since the 17th century. Okay, and saying there is changing magnetism. It sort of like it claims
Yeah.
that the Earth contains fire, which it kind of does inside. The Earth contains central fire and vast underground lakes of lava and all that. But at the North Pole is a gaping vortex that sucks water down into the central fire, where it's heated and it's expelled in the South Pole. मतलब पाद रहा है धरती. This is the logic of the hollow earth.
Man.
dude, ये तू मंडेला इफेक्ट बोल, बहुत सही है
No,
मंडेला
no,
इफेक्ट.
by the way, Hollow Earth
No,
पूरा
so
करते हैं. The Godzilla वाला क्या है कि there is a अंडा कि this is the Earth's core.
Huh.
This is the Earth's core, and then there's the Hollow. You've not seen Godzilla versus Kong.
I don't remember this anda part.
Matlab, it's like it's a shell. Like there's the core of the
Ah,
Earth, which is heating everything, and then there's the hollow Earth inside, which has the second biosphere where King Kong
And
and
there's no
Godzilla.
gravity and shit.
और
No?
the gravity
The
नहीं है.
gravity flips.
So it's
the
essentially
gravity
outer
flips.
space but inside Earth. ठीक है,
Yeah.
and you can and wherever they have a connect between both where regular Earth and hollow Earth meet और वहाँ Godzilla वो सब जा रहे हैं. It's come
हाँ.
out of this hollow Earth theory. But going back to Mandela effect, so Mandela effect basically means that a certain amount of people believe history as it occurred completely differently from other people.
Correct.
Correct.
Like our personal stories.
हाँ, लेकिन अपने को लगता है कि like for example a whole section of people who believe that अभी Inglourious Basterds में दिखा है ना कि हिटलर को गोली
Alternate
मार के
history.
एक फ्रेंच थिएटर में मार दिया है. Not
Yeah,
alternate, but say for example there were people who actually believe that,
Okay.
as opposed to the way Hitler shooting himself and dying in his bunker in Berlin. If that is the fact, there's a large section of people who remember history completely differently, and they use Mandela effect is because they feel a whole bunch of people in prison testify to Mandela having died in prison.
Oh.
लेकिन वहां रखे भाई मंडेला क्या क्या किया है उसके बाद. So this conspiracy theorists believe, hey, this is proof that alternate universes exist, and doctors like use the same thing to show देखो भाई memory में कितने problems और lapses हो सकते हैं. So that's the doctor's explanation. But conspiracy theories are like, nahi, this is proof, alternate universe, Mandela effect, and Mandela effect has become this big scene essentially.
Yeah, it's almost like the line where everybody says, "Luke, I am your father." That's not actually the line in the film, right? It's no, I am your father or whatever the thing is. But the whole world collectively, the pop culture has made it the zeitgeist is that it is Luke, I am your father. But that's not the actual line in the film.
Yeah, Mark
That's the
Hamill gets
Mandela
very
effect.
irritated.
Yeah, that's the Mandela effect, that collectively a whole group of people believe that this is what it is. It's pretty cool.
There is a conspiracy theory which is so crazy that like it's been around for a long time.
Is it that big pharma is hiding the cure for cancer and
No,
other
man.
ailments?
And the crazy thing is like it's there, it's around, like you can find it in one Google search and there's a whole list of articles, but hardly anyone is really like seriously looking or talking
I
about
mean, especially after COVID, dude, everything went crazy, right? Because you had Bill Gates predicted this was happening. China has actually created the virus. There was that whole documentary, fake documentary called The Plandemic, right? Which was 8-10 million views on Facebook and YouTube, etc. before it was taken down. And because it was slickly shot with the proper, like जिस तरीके से उन लोग अच्छे Netflix documentary में shoot करके दिखाते हैं, they shot it like that, which is basically saying that this entire COVID has been planned to control population, to have supremacy. This is also biological warfare. It's this, it's that. There's so many things. One of the things that was rubbished earlier, and even Trump spoke about it, was that this was manufactured in Wuhan. It's a virus that was created in a lab in Wuhan, and from there कुछ चुतियापट्टी हुआ और वो फैल गया. Right? It's basically
We just spoke about this.
We spoke about this, and तभी हम लोग हंसे, ट्रम्प भी ये बोल रहा है. But recently, there's a Washington Post article about how this theory is actually gathering more steam now, because they've heard or they've whatever उधर जो doctors काम कर रहे हैं, whoever's managed to bypass China's level of scrutiny to be able to speak about it, they've actually finding a lot more credence in the story now, which is something we all laughed at.
So there was that same article was then they got a person from the lab also to talk about it, but she was like, but what you guys don't understand is that it wasn't created, like you know, like I can't remember it, but I had sort of read the counterpoint to that article by the
Listen,
Post or whatever.
listen,
And the fact that
even if she said whatever about it, right? The crazy thing is that even if there is an alternate version, the crazy thing is that the whole world at some point unanimously agreed that bat se aaya, wo bhi wet market se, right? Like
Mandela
we bought
effect.
it.
Yeah,
Yeah, we
yeah.
fucking bought it, and like I mean, it seemed plausible. It sounded right. A lot of the minute like New York Times, bat se aaya, wet market se, bol diya, to khatam. And any alternate version of that is valid. I mean, even if they've made
Yeah.
it, not made it, but that's
You know,
So
like
here's-
there is one more theory I read about, which is Walt Disney ke bare mein, right?
Yeah,
Apparently,
cryogenics.
they created Frozen so that when you look up Frozen, the animated movie shows up, and
Shows
not
up.
articles about the fact that Walt Disney was cryogenically frozen.
Frozen.
सो उन्होंने जाके एक हिट फिल्म बना दिया है टू हाइड
So that
टू
it
बीट द
dominates
algorithm essentially, which
Yeah.
was popping up more fucking articles and videos about Walt Disney being frozen. That's nuts.
So isn't that
and
isn't
so
that
cool
logical?
if true?
Like yeah,
No, no,
because
but-
it's like Doctor
Dude.
Evil from Austin Powers, right? He's like he freezes himself and he gives the plan to his subordinates. Okay, by the time I come, the world is taken over.
The biggest clue is that the most popular song from that film is "Let It Go."
Yeah, let it go.
Like if you're searching for cryogenic and Disney, let it go. That's what the fucking film is about. That's crazy.
Mm.
There's also this thing, dude. I was talking about this conspiracy theory, which is that this was in 2015. An NDTV article was posted about this, and there's also other sources, which says that 11 Indian nuclear scientists have died unnatural deaths in 4 years, this is according to government sources. So, in a 4-year period between 2009 and 2013, as per the latest data provided by the Department of Atomic Energy, 11 scientists have died unnatural deaths. 8 scientists and engineers working in laboratories and research centers of the department died in a blast or by hanging or drowning in the sea. So this was discovered by an RTI. This was in response to an RTI
Release.
filed by.
This sounds like proper some like Soviet era
Proper
Cold War
legit
shit, right?
conspiracy.
Because
Yeah,
वो time पे
dude.
ये हो रहा था, you were killing, I mean not you, US is killing Soviet scientists and capturing them and vice versa. In fact, even Homi Bhabha's death, actually I started speaking about it earlier, lekin I stopped midway. Homi Bhabha, when he died, was again, it was suspected because he died in a plane crash in France somewhere. उसमें भी
Yeah.
यही suspect था that the US wanted to derail India's nuclear program, and who else to get rid of but then the father of
So there's
Nuclear
so
science.
there's another very interesting conspiracy theory that the tsunami in the Indian Ocean, and this is a conspiracy theory where a lot of like just Islamic countries within the thing have been fed this theory that the tsunami in the Indian Ocean in 2004 or whatever was caused by one second.
it was caused by nuclear testing.
Yes,
By-
yes.
And,
Yeah.
In
and the reason
2004.
they're saying this is because when the US was developing the atomic bomb, US and New Zealand together was supposed to conduct tests to try out this specific theory, which is अगर हम लोग पानी में न्यूक्लियर बॉम्ब फोड़ेंगे तो
क्या?
भारी सुनामी आके वाट लग सकता है क्या? They never went through with it, but the urban legend comes from there that bro,
Yeah.
US during the time of the World War, especially when they are building the atomic bomb, they have gone ham. They
Yeah,
have
yeah,
gone
yeah.
ham, which has led
Can
to
I-
that other conspiracy also, right? Which is there's an island somewhere in the Pacific
There's
where
a Godzilla,
they've
yeah.
done
Godzilla,
नहीं Godzilla तो किया वो तो जापान ने किया था. I'm saying US to try out atomic bomb had to do multiple tests, so they were bombing the shit out of islands in the
Yeah.
Pacific.
Yeah.
You couldn't do it close to the mainland, so you have to do it far out at sea, where a certain type of people would wait for the US
yeah.
army to come because they consider them their saviors.
Yeah. Because
Something
they
like
would
that
come
it
about.
was.
Yeah. There is. Can I also say, like, apart from this whole, like, just going back to like the fact that big pharma controls AIDS medication and cancer cure and stuff like that. There was this one comic who also spoke about it. I think I spoke about it in the last podcast that if cancer is at a rate of 1 in 4, then there have been 44 presidents in the or whatever 45 presidents in the White House. How is it that not a single world leader or like a single president of
US
the United
leader,
States has gotten cancer? It's not possible, right? It's because they have, right? Of course, it's been broken down by Forbes and saying that look, cancer treatment is so expensive, or even the scans and all are so expensive, and in future if they opened it up and made it available, it would be a lot more profitable for the company to let it be profitable. So there's some thing like that. But also in around 1981, there was a rumor that seems to have of course, regarding the CIA along with America, where they said that they invented AIDS to sort of wipe out the homosexual population. So that's how it
very messed up.
so it was almost like that the CIA in fact was created it with the KGB as sorry, the CIA created it,
Wow.
and then it was then later debunked because doctors have always said that it has jumped from the monkeys or the chimpanzees to
So that's why
humans.
the bat theory also holds water.
No, but here's the thing. Apparently, that theory was created by the KGB to discredit the CIA. So it's apparently incredible कि आपस में ये लोग खेल रहे हैं, बैटिंग प्रैक्टिस कर रहे हैं एक दूसरे के साथ.
There's also this thing called I don't know if you've heard of this. It's called the Voynich manuscript.
Okay.
Have you heard of this?
No.
It is
Voynich manuscript.
Voynich manuscript.
Which
It is one of the most famous artifacts, okay, in the world. It's the Voynich manuscript, which is a illustrated, handwritten codex.
Say Voynich again, no?
Okay,
Voynich.
written in an unknown writing system that dates to the early 15th century. Most scholars think it was composed in northern Italy during the Italian Renaissance. The book is missing pages. Most of the pages have illustrations or diagrams of plants and animals that do not exist. Hundreds of professional cryptographers and code breakers have attempted to crack it, but nobody has been able to do it. तो ये बेस्ट सेलर है जो किसी को पता नहीं
if it's
क्या
so
है.
old, then clearly there must be species of plants and animals that have gone extinct now over so many years.
Dude, apparently there is species that go extinct every day.
Correct. But it's not
talking
like
about species going extinct. There is conspiracies about how birds aren't real anymore.
No, there are no birds.
अभी birds होते थे, अभी birds नहीं है, ये सब drones है. ठीक है, ये सब drones है.
ये लोग ने उरी देखा है क्या? परेश रावल जाके ड्रोन बना के ले गया.
नहीं, but ये actually मानते हैं लोग, bro. I mean, इधर नहीं, लेकिन जिधर भी, like it's a popular conspiracy theory that birds are not there anymore.
क्या सब Amazon का पार्सल बांट रहे हैं क्या?
अरे but अगर drones है तो drones क्या हग रहा है? वो तेरे बालकनी में
That is the point, na. But
that is where the simulators have made you believe that.
That's what I'm asking. I mean, but that's listen.
तो तू ये बोल रहा है कि जो पिजन मेरे बालकनी में हग रहा है वो एक्चुअली ड्रोन है.
Exactly.
Millions and millions, billions of dollars have been
Electronic
spent.
टट्टी.
And if it is, then you have to
Because
give it
तू
up.
check भी नहीं कर रहा है ना. If you're angry कि किसी ने टट्टी किया तेरे पे, they just have to make it look
किसी
like
ने
it
नहीं,
doesn't have to be
पिजन
actual
नहीं
poop.
किया, चूतिया कोई.
हाँ, pigeon नहीं.
लोग नहीं हग रहे मेरे आगे
But
बालकनी
वही ना,
में.
are you really going to check? Like, are you really going to go like, नहीं, तेरे को साफ करके हटने का है. It's like, this is gross. So they can actually pull that off.
बहुत कह रहे हैं हम लोग conspiracy theories.
और तू बोल रहा था शॉर्ट
हाँ,
एपिसोड.
मेरे को लगा शॉर्ट एपिसोड होएगा, but no, not bad.
But you know there is this one story about अपना कौन है वो Mauryan emperor Ashoka, right? That Ashoka secretly created, Shah Rukh Khan created an army of 9. They're called the 9 unknown men.
Yeah.
These 9 unknown men essentially have the secrets of different things in the universe around us. Knowledge essentially that if it goes into the wrong hands, it is going to be.
ये क्या मिस्टर इंडिया का डॉक्टर फू मंचू एक बार मेरा ये हाथ मेरे फॉर्मूला मेरे हाथ में आ गया वो
नहीं तो it's basically to do like wait I'd taken it out किधर गया हाँ so anything so it had knowledge related to propaganda and psychological warfare, physiology including secrets concerning the touch of death, microbiology, alchemy, communication including communication with extraterrestrials, gravity and anti-gravity devices like the Vimanas mentioned in the Vedas, cosmology including hyperspace and time travel, light and technology capable of modifying the speed of light, and sociology including rules predicting the rise and fall of empires. So knowledge consisting of all of these things were then taken by these 9 unknown men to keep from the hands of bad people.
How amazing, dude! If I had any of that knowledge, I would be one very well known man. क्योंकि मैं सीधा book लिखता और डाल देता.
I think out of these unknown men, एक तो Nikola Tesla था. I don't know how he knows Ashoka, but he does.
Hey, I want to just sorry, Adar, ek second. So I just want to read this out. This is it's an interesting list. This is basically if you want to know whether you are susceptible to conspiracy theories, then this is here is a list of things that conspiracy theorists usually have. Okay, they tend to have a little less education.
That's paramount. I think that's paramount because I honestly feel 9 out of 10 conspiracy theorists are just plain dumb and uneducated.
Yeah, but it's also but they're excellent with psychology or framing of things because the idea has to be really simple at its core to create this ability, because it has to be slightly believable, like it has to be just that much believable.
So then the next one is that they belong to groups that they feel they should have more power and influence in. They belong to special and political organizations or religious groups a little more often. They more often use intuition or gut feeling when making decisions. They see connections more often than other people do. Also, they see connections that do not exist. That is the given.
Fundamentals of following conspiracy theories.
They are a little more narcissistic than others, and more often than not, they obtain their information from social media.
Yeah. So essentially, it is.
Yeah.
Adar, tu kya bol raha tha?
So there's one where
it's the perfect way to end it, no? Because Adar will now give us a fact.
Yeah.
Britney Spears.
And it will not be about conspiracy. It will be about a diet.
Spears. No, Britney Spears government. She is a tool for government cover up for the Bush administration.
What?
So they're basically lining up every time the Bush administration did a mishap. It used
Britney
to
came out and said,
with-
give me,
yeah.
give me
So
more.
Britney does something that shifts the media focus completely away from the screw up.
Wow.
Like if there's something
they've drawn
happening, she
parallels.
shaved her head. Yeah, she's gotten a divorce in 55 hours. So all that
That's
stuff
toxic,
is that's toxic. And
for
even the
Britney
song-
Spears, after what all she's gone through.
Through. By the way, did you guys read her testimony?
Yeah.
it's
Nuts.
messed
Guys,
up.
hashtag free Britney.
One second,
Britney,
Adar, are you
free Britney.
saying that the CIA is calling Britney Spears and saying, "Oops, we did it again"?
Yeah.
It's literally that.
And on that note, that's it from this episode of the Internet Said So. There could not have been any better ending than Britney
because
Spears being the cover up.
Too.
for
We did it again.
of all. By the way, this Ted Cruz, okay, who's a fucking elected senator from Texas,
Yeah,
actually
apparently.
he says
What?
the shape-shifting lizard people, of which Mark Zuckerberg, Justin Bieber are also a part.
Basically, he's watching Nagin, dude.
Yeah.
He's watching Jani Dushman Ek Anokhi Kahani.
Jani
That's what
Dushman,
he's watching.
But I mean, like Zuckerberg's behavior is just the most erratic that I've ever seen in a human being. Like, have you seen that video where he's answering?
He's testifying to Congress.
Yeah, to Congress, and then he blinks like twice, and then he slowly sips water.
This also is another CIA technique. When if you are being held hostage, you communicate with the watcher with your eyes.
Morse code.
So you talk like that, but to आँख ऐसे से करेगा, it's a secret message going.
Yeah, it's Morse code ना. Homeland में किया ना वो ऐसा.
हाँ, होमलैंड में
हाथू
प्रिजन ब्रेक में भी किया
हाथू
था.
फिल्म.
हाथू फिल्म और प्रिजन ब्रेक में भी किया था.
On that note,
ये एपिसोड को हम एंड भी वैसे ही करेंगे.
ये तू आई ड्रॉप्स डाल अपने कान में.
आई ड्रॉप्स कान में क्यों डालेगा?
Sorry, it's too
Big
late.
Pharma.
It's a conspiracy. Actually, eye drops, कान drops है. और वो तेरे आई में डालते हैं, तुझसे तेरी आई और खराब होती है, जिसकी वजह से तू और आई ड्रॉप्स खरीदता है. और बिकॉज
But
तू
लेकिन
अपने
वो फिर
कान
तेरे
कान
body
में
से
eye
through
drops
जाता
डाल रहा है, तो कान तो ठीक हो रहा ही नहीं है, क्योंकि तू कान में कान ड्रॉप्स नहीं, तू आई ड्रॉप्स डाल रहा है, इसलिए तू और कान ड्रॉप्स खरीदता है.
करेक्ट. और फिर वो तेरे सिस्टम से जाता है जिधर वो तेरा एसिड लावा पेट में जाके फिर तेरा गांड से पाद निकलता है.
बाबा सब बराबर चल रहा है. ठीक है,
हॉलो इंटेस्टाइन, हॉलो बॉडी थियरी ब्रो.
Hollow body.
सब बराबर चल रहा था.